Hello students, welcome to your English class. We were doing worksheet 3 yesterday and we had stopped at exercise D and we were solving that at page number 7. So today we will solve the next page, that is page number 8, and we'll continue with the same exercise. We were writing the antonyms and synonyms of the following words. So let's continue with that. The first column is given for antonym and the second column is given for synonym. Okay, let's start. At 4 number, the word is given grateful. Grateful means abhari. So the antonym would be ungrateful. Okay, ungrateful would be the antonym, and then in second column we would write synonym as thankful. Okay, so you have to write in both the columns as I have written ungrateful then thankful. Word 5 is thick. Thick means ghana. Okay, so antonym would be here thin, and the synonym would be here dense or lush. You can write anyone from them, so I will write lush. Okay, so in antonym you would write thin and in synonym you will write lush. At 6 number, the word like is given. Like, antonym would be dislike. Okay, antonym would be dislike. Dislike, and then in synonym we will write fond of. ठीक है, fond of या liking, both have the same meaning, पसंद करना. Okay, next is 7 promise. Promise, in antonym we can write disagreement. Okay, disagreement, and in synonym we can write commitment. Okay, commitment. So the last one is 8 deserve. Deserve means योग्य होना, worthy होना. So its antonym would be undeserving या undeserve. Okay, so write undeserve, undeserve, and then in synonym you will write worthy. Okay, so here is the answers of the remaining questions of exercise D. We have done with exercise D now. Let's move on to exercise E. Exercise E, we have to match the following animals with the sound they make. Okay, mew, meow. Who makes this sound? Yes, correct. That is cat. Okay, and then moo. Moo is the sound made by the cow. Hiss is the sound which is made by snake. And then quack is the sound of duck. Hoot is the sound of owl, an owl. Growl is the voice of bear. Chirping is the sound of the birds. Okay, so and the last one, buzz, is the sound of honeybee. Okay, so here it's looking so messy, but you have to write it very neat and cleanly. Okay, so let's erase it all, and then we have to do exercise F. Tick the correct preposition to complete the following sentences. Means we have to choose the correct preposition for it. Okay, the first is Rihanna jumped into / behind the water. The correct preposition would be here Rihanna jumped into the water. So the first is correct. Okay, the temple is after / near my school. The correct preposition would be here near. Okay. Now let's move on to the next page. Third is look at slash to the door. Look at the door. So the first preposition is correct, at the door. Next is the fox is full with slash of toys. Full of toys. With nahi of. Okay. Next, the carpenter makes the table with slash by wood. With. Okay. With preposition would be suitable here. He buys apple from slash with the shop at the corner. He buys apple from the shop at the corner. Okay, so the first preposition from would be correct here. The lion is out of its den. Here it might be a misprint. The word should be as like the lion is out, and then we have to choose between of O double F and then of O single F, and the correct would be here of single F, because O double F means किसी चीज़ का बंद हो जाना. Okay, so the lion is out of its den. Here out would not be used as an option here. It is the part of the sentence. The lion is out. Okay, I hope you have got what I'm trying to say. Okay, next sentence, sentence 8. They have been working from slash since morning. They have been working since of from since morning. Okay, they have been working since morning. Now we have done with exercise E also. Let's do the last exercise, exercise G. What we have to do in it, we have to circle the prepositions in the story given below. Okay, so let's do it. Rahul was walking by the road. By here is preposition, then you have to circle that. When he saw smoke coming out of is preposition, you have to circle that. Window from is also a preposition. One of the shops, he heard people screaming inside. Inside is also a preposition, so you have to encircle that. He called up the police and fire station. Up is also a preposition. Okay, there were not many people on. On is preposition, you have to circle that. The road to help. To is also preposition, so encircle that. Then he pulled out a bucket lying near by. Okay, by, and filled it. Okay, fire engine and the police arrived on the scene. On, they controlled the fire and saved the people inside. Rahul received an award for his courage and bravery. Okay, for is preposition here, and is not preposition, and is conjunction. Okay, so we have done with worksheet 3, and after doing all these, you have to write the date. You have to mention the date of today. Then whatever marks you will get, I'll give you. Now come on, quickly do it and send me the snap. Okay, I'll see you in next class. Thank you.